Ever wondered how to scale your application to millions of users with open source technologies? And how to choose a database that will give you both openness and scalability? Let's see how AlloyDB for Postgres merges the best parts of Postgres and Google Cloud to do just that. Building an application is different today than it was a few years ago. The cloud enables global scale and rapid iteration and offers many database choices. So if you're building an application today, you're in luck. But because of fundamental trade-offs around cost, functionality, and performance, choosing the right one to support your workload can be a challenge. No matter what you're building, you probably want your database to be fully managed and your developers to be more productive by standardizing on open source technologies. Or maybe you're migrating existing workloads to the cloud and are looking to change up how you're managing your data. You're no longer willing to tolerate opaque costs, overpriced and restrictive licensing, and vendor lock-in. You want an engaged community that's constantly adding features and extensions to support a variety of workloads. For enterprise workloads, Postgres is growing across industries as an open standard, alleviating the fear of being locked into a specific vendor. But as awesome as Postgres is, it could do so much more to use the power of the cloud. What if it could take advantage of scale-out storage and compute, massive amounts of memory, or AI/ML-powered management and configuration? What if that management and configuration could eliminate steps like tuning of database parameters, auto vacuum management, and worrying about scaling while maintaining full Postgres compatibility? Built for scale, using Google's first-hand experience developing global scale storage systems, AlloyDB has been built to be fully compatible with existing Postgres workloads, meaning your application doesn't need to change once it's comfortable speaking Postgres. We've custom-built the storage engine to be database-aware, optimized for storing Postgres data, and storage is independent from compute, so each can scale independently of the other. That allows AlloyDB to meet the needs of applications with a variety of usage patterns. Compute has gotten the same treatment as storage, and is custom designed and built to be database aware. Each database can have a read replica pool that you can scale up and down, and all of the nodes share the underlying storage for low latency access. AlloyDB automatically rebalances load across all the nodes in the pool, allowing it to smooth out spikes, giving consistent, strong, and predictable performance. All these changes combined provide an overall boost in performance, providing more than 4 times the performance of standard Postgres for transactional workloads. For analytical queries, AlloyDB delivers up to 100 times faster performance. While we're busy handling the larger workloads faster, we're also committed to reliability in a big way. AlloyDB's SLA is 4 nines, or 99.99% availability, including maintenance. And of course, no Google product would be complete without a nice dose of AI/ML and other adaptive algorithms. We use them for AlloyDB vacuum management, storage and memory management, data tiering, and analytic acceleration. Add up the performance optimizations, the scaling for larger workloads, and the reliability guarantee. AlloyDB is an ideal choice for critical, enterprise-class applications that would have previously used old-school commercial databases. Scaling your relational database backend doesn't have to be challenging or costly any longer. Google brought the experience and technology that built some of the world's most popular cloud services and applied them to a friendly and open Postgres interface with AlloyDB. Migrate your legacy databases, build amazing new applications, and let us handle the rest. Available on Google Cloud, create an instance today and connect your application. There are links to the documentation and getting started guides in the description below.